everyone, I am Vineet Kumar Sinha from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture series, we are discussing the subject Material Engineering and we are discussing Unit 5, Non-Destructive Testing. So, this is the introduction of Unit 5, Non-Destructive Testing. So, in this unit, we'll be discussing about creeps and failures, the various creep stages, and why the creep is the function deformation based on the function of time and temperature. Also, we'll have a study on introduction to NDT. What is NDT? Non-destructive testing, and how is it different from a destructive test? The comparison between NDT and TT, and also what are the various techniques of non-destructive testing. We'll go through one by one, and visual testing, the liquid penetrant testing, magnetic particle testing, acoustic testing, eddy current testing, and so on, radiography, ultrasonic testing. So ultimately, we'll see about all the non-destructive tests. Also, we'll be having a discussion on properties or the material behavior and properties at very low temperature, that is cryogenic temperatures, and also very high temperatures. What is the effect and what is the design consideration of very low and high temperature applications. Thank you.